Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to use dollar symbol in Excel. Let's begin. Step 1. Click anywhere. Click Insert tab, Equations and remove the text equation. Hold Shift, press 4. Press 4. See this? Added dollar symbol and increase the size. Change the color. Okay. And move. And step 2. Type any number. Type any number. Press dollar sign. Again. That's it. And step 3. Simply hold shift, press 4. See this? Added dollar sign. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.